Hi, good morning from Barcelona. We are getting ready to go check out the metro system. We've been just sleeping all day. It's 2:30. We basically went to bed last night anywhere from 8 p.m. to like 4 a.m. We fell asleep. And then different people woke up anywhere from 8 a.m. to like 1 p.m. today. So we're just kind of here working through jet lag, and now we're going to go check out the metro and maybe take the metro down to the beach. That's the plan. Very windy today. Okay, that was actually pretty easy. We got our tickets. They even had an English option. Way easier than it was in Paris. Okay, before we get on the train, we're gonna grab some drinks because everybody is craving ice water and watermelon. So that means they'll probably be hydrated. Okay, so we stopped in this little coffee shop. It's so cool.
Let's see.
Called Explicit. So good. Okay, here's our options. This one has a boat. The options on where we're getting the different stops, remember?
So here's the one that I'm gonna say we stop at. Which is sightseeing.
Yeah.
But if you want to go straight to the beach, then we take a different beach.
No, let's go here for lunch and then go straight to the beach. I can hear the train coming. We're moving fast. James, you think we can do it? James! Sure.
That is so cool.
Isn't that cool?
Hola.
That was not a statue. That was a real person.
That's kind of freaky looking.
I wonder where that takes you.
That's the Naval de Catalunya.
That's the Columbus Monument. That's Christopher Columbus on
That's
top.
Christopher Columbus. We gotta get him from the other side. And then look, over here we got gargoyles. The lions are laying down. These ones are taking a nap. I can't see them any better. I gotta get farther away. But we got these nets around the statues today. Those aren't actually gargoyles. They're lions with wings. Look at all, this is the marina here that we came to, and look how cute. All the different boathouses, and they've got their tan shades up. Madison's running through the playground to play on the swings.
Big little kid. We finally have come to a grass area, and this is the second time I've seen it. There's no dogs. But, Oh yeah.
but it's hot, all concrete here. She needs to like get on her beach and go potty.
They might be over there, and it's restaurants.
Those are some expensive yachts.
Yeah.
I bet you they cost a yacht of money.
Look how cool that street is. I love the balcony. And the clothes hanging from the balcony. Okay, Madison's whining over her workout, but she got her post-workout drink. And me and Beth has
Ugly now, but it was pretty.
it was really pretty. But let me tell you, that kiwi is bomb. Bomb kiwi. Mango's good too. Hit bar. And James,
Power bowl.
that's the Power Bowl. And did they have the Nutella you asked for?
Yeah, it's not Nutella, but it's a hazelnut cream that they make, but they're sugar-free,
Is it better?
sugar-free there. Like real sugar-free.
I love the way there's like this building in the middle of the little square here. Looks like a church, but I don't see a title anywhere. But it has a really cool door here. I don't think it's in use anymore. That's cool. How cool is that? So don't be too far from me. So this is a really big deal. We are seeing the Mediterranean Sea for the first time, and it is beautiful. James, you're gonna fall. Okay, look out there. We're almost there.
It's so blue. It's like way more blue than I thought. Okay, I said we were in the Mediterranean Sea, which this is connected, but it's called technically like the Balearic. Now I've lost it. The Balearic Sea, which is like a minor sea in the major. And this one is getting lots of attention today. So it's time to start heading back. We've had a good time at the beach. Lucy loved chasing all the seagulls, and we took her in the water to cool down. So it's been a nice day here. Lots of sailboats. Okay, we are stopping for dinner. We're all so hungry. They have a lot of these Spanish restaurants. They have a lot of the same menu items, but this one seems a little unique. But here we go.
Did you guys make that one up?
So this is called a chicken croquette, I believe. So this is called chicken paella. And this is my food. That's a Caesar salad.
They're probably going to the beach.
As James and the girls were over watching the workout, I was checking out our food and paying. And I was talking to the waitress, and she said that they do that every day at this time. I thought that was really cool that the community comes together and does that like quick workout together. So we're heading back to the train now, to the metro. Sun is setting. Okay, a lot of people don't have dogs on leashes here. I actually think it's really cool. Okay, things that are different than America. They don't make their dogs stay on leashes, and people serve you alcoholic beverages on the beach. They just walk around and ask you if you want a mojito.
But it's looked like they're going after each other as a hug, but give them a little bit of serious name. It has an Instagram thing to tag it.
Okay, this is the way.